exploring Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano, a compact AI powerhouse. Hello everyone, welcome back to Anna Videos. The Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano is a game changer in the world of edge AI computing. Designed for developers, hobbyists, and industrial applications, this compact yet powerful AI module is redefining what's possible with embedded AI. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Jetson Orin Nano stand out. What is the Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano? The Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano is the latest addition to Nvidia's Jetson family, offering unprecedented AI performance in a compact form factor. It is designed for AI inference at the edge, making it perfect for robotics, autonomous machines, and intelligent video analytics. Key specifications: CPU, 6-core ARM Cortex-A, 7/8 AE GPU, Nvidia Ampere architecture with 1024 CUDA cores and 32 Tensor cores memory, up to 8 GB LPDDR5 AI performance, up to 40 TOPS power consumption, 7W215W, making it highly power-efficient connectivity. PCIe Gen 4, I2C, I2S, SPI, UART, and GPIO support. Why choose the Jetson Orin Nano? 1. Unmatched AI performance in a small package. With 40 TOPS of AI performance, the Orin Nano outperforms its predecessor, the Jetson Nano, by nearly 80 times. This means developers can run complex deep learning models with minimal latency. 2. Energy efficient for edge AI applications. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, the Orin Nano operates between 7 West and 15 West, making it ideal for applications that require AI processing at the edge while conserving power. 3. Scalability. With the Jetson ecosystem, Nvidia offers a comprehensive software stack, including the Jetpack SDK, which provides accelerated AI frameworks, libraries, and tools. It also integrates seamlessly with Nvidia's TAO toolkit, allowing for easy model training and deployment. 4. Ideal for robotics and embedded AI, the compact size and powerful processing capabilities make it ideal for robots, smart cameras, drones, and industrial automation systems. Applications of Jetson Orin Nano. Robotics, autonomous robots and drones can use real-time AI processing for navigation, object recognition, and decision-making. Smart cities, AI-powered surveillance cameras, and traffic management systems benefit from its edge processing capabilities. Healthcare, medical imaging and diagnostics can leverage its AI inferencing power. Retail and manufacturing, AI-driven checkout systems, inventory tracking, and quality control automation. Getting started with Jetson Orin Nano. To start developing with the Orin Nano, follow these steps. Get the developer kit. Purchase the Jetson Orin Nano developer kit from Nvidia or authorized resellers. Install Jetpack SDK. Download and install Nvidia's Jetpack SDK, which includes Ubuntu-based OS, CUDA, CUDN, and Tensor for AI acceleration. Develop AI applications. Utilize frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and ONX Runtime to build and deploy AI models. Optimize performance. Use Nvidia's DeepStream SDK for video analytics or the Isaac SDK for robotics. Conclusion. The Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano is a compact yet powerful AI computing solution that brings high-performance AI to edge devices. Whether you're a developer building autonomous robots or a company looking for AI-driven solutions, this device offers the power and flexibility needed to take your AI projects to the next level. With unmatched performance, efficiency, and scalability, the Orin Nano is set to revolutionize edge AI computing. Are you ready to harness its power? Are you interested in using the Jetson Orin Nano for your next AI project? Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know your thoughts and ideas in the comments.